Hello friends, in this session we'll see a question on how to find the square root of a complex number. So our question is as such, find square root of 1 plus 4 root 3I. Now, so far we have read that there are some real numbers and then we find the roots of that real number. But in this case, we have got a complex number. And for a complex number, the roots are going to be a complex number, whether it is going to be square root or cube root and so on. So we'll get a complex number in that. So let's say the root of 1 plus 4 root 3I is x plus I y. And as we have already studied something about the complex number, we know that when we represent a complex number z equal to x plus I y, both x and y are real. So what we have to do is compare both the sides of this equation, and we can see that the square root of this is going to be x plus iy. Therefore, this is 1 plus 4 root 3I square root is equal to x plus iy. So one thing we can do is taking square on both sides so as to compare the terms on the left side and the right side. So this will give us 1 plus 4 root 3I is equal to x plus iy square, and this x plus iy square will become x square plus I square y square plus 2 times of x y I. Since we know that I square is equal to minus 1, so using this we'll have 1 plus 4 root 3I is equal to x square minus y square plus 2 times of x y I. Now comparing the left and the right hand side means comparing the real part with the real part and imaginary part with the imaginary part. So this is the real part we have. So this is the real part on the other side. These two should be compared, and this is the imaginary part to be compared with the imaginary part. So with that we can say 1 is going to be x square minus y square and 4 root 3 is going to be 2xy. From the second equation we can see that y will be 4 root 3 by 2x, or we can say 2 root 3 times of x. And we will use this equation in the first one and we'll get 1 is equal to x square minus 2 root 3 by x whole square. This comes out to be 1 equal to x square minus 12 by x square, which is x square equal to x to the power of 4 minus 12. Rearranging this, we will get x to the power of 4 minus x square minus 12 equal to 0. And splitting the middle term as per the sum of the product, as we have already learned in the solution of the quadratic equation in our previous classes, we can write this equation as x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 3x square minus 12 equal to 0. Taking x square common from the first two, we'll have x square minus 4, and from the second two terms we'll have plus 3 times of x square minus 4. Now for this equation we'll have two of the cases. The first one comes from this one and the second comes from this one. So this is going to be x square plus 3 equal to 0 or x square minus 4 equal to 0. This is x square is equal to minus 3, and we know that x will be equal to plus and minus root 3i as a complex value. Solving this one will have x square equal to 4, and this gives x is equal to plus and minus 2. So we have got 4 values of x, 2 of which is complex and 2 of which is real. But from our initial assumption and the standard expression of a complex number z equal to x plus iy, we know that both x and y are supposed to be real. So in that case, we should be dropping this complex value of x and accepting the real value of x. So for the real value of x, x will be 2 and minus 2. Now since we have already seen y will be 2 root 3 times divided by x, so in that case substituting the value of x will have y is equal to 2 root 3 by 2 equal to root 3 and 2 root 3 by minus 2 is equal to minus root 3. So basically the pairs we have is x equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y equal to root 3 and x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus root 3. So these are the two values we will get from here, and as per our assumption, and then square root of 1 plus 4 root 3i comes out to be 2 plus root 3i and minus 2 minus root 3i. So these are the square root of the given complex number. Thank you.